So hey guys, this is Wolverine Gaming right now from server 102 in season 4, and we got addition in like Alliance store. And go to the Alliance store and we got addition in this like cosmetics options, which is going to be like skin based store. And you can see there are lots of skin like season boost skin or season buff skin, you can say, because this was for season 1, this was for season 2, this was for season 3, and this will be for season 4 silver claw fighter. So you can directly purchase from here for the season, upcoming season, or the behind seasons. So you can see season 4 is mentioned here. That's gonna be the season boost for season 4, and you can buy them for 4000 tokens, cosmetic tokens maybe, and tap on it and you can see there are passes. These are not free or in exchange of anything. You need to buy it or purchase it. As you can see, it's 9900 rupees, almost 10k, uh, converted to USD maybe 125 USD for 1k points. You're gonna get 10k diamonds too. Then there are 10k uh, VIP points and some mythical alliance gift, and you're gonna get cosmetic tokens. And when refreshing, you will receive 4 extra purchase attempts with a maximum of cap of 12. Okay, so you're gonna need like 4 purchases to get these items, because these cost 4000 per skin. So if you are interested in buying the skin buffs for the seasons, you can buy it from here directly for 4000 tokens, cosmetic tokens, which gonna be in USD. I think it's like 500 USD or something. It's around 500 USD if you are purchasing these tokens and exchanging them with these skins. So I don't know what this cosmetics even here for, but it's okay. It's for uh, players who spends money, heavy spenders. This is not for F2P players. So if you are F2P player, then you can ignore this totally. So this was the video for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more gaming content.